Welcome to My Backyard Homestead, our little slice of heaven at the base of Pikes Peak in the Colorado mountains. Up here, gardening and building a homestead takes patience, creativity, and a willingness to work with nature. In this video, I will show you a few of the projects we built on our nearly 1 acre property, starting with the art cabin and the 10 by 12 greenhouse Tim built back in 2011. Then I will take you on a short tour of the garden, filmed on June 11th, 2022, right about the time things finally begin to wake up after a long mountain winter. It may seem late compared to other places, but here in the Rocky Mountains, it is right on schedule. If you enjoy mountain gardening and simple homestead living, you will find many more garden tours and projects here on the My Backyard Homestead YouTube channel. All right, today is Friday. We call it Farmers Market Day in Woodland Park. I'm figuring out what I want to do with those fences. But this is how the plants are growing as of today. There's our horseradish. Not this. Some flowers I planted, and nasturtiums. Here is the asparagus and lilac. We planted more asparagus over there. Then we have what I call my berry row with just berries and currants and gooseberries. We have gotten some peppers that we have here. The raised bed is popping finally. So we've got cabbage and carrots and something else in here, I don't remember. There are some peppers. Thanks for stopping by My Backyard Homestead. If you'd like to see more of the garden and follow along with the projects we're building here in the Colorado mountains, head over to YouTube and subscribe to the My Backyard Homestead channel. I'll see you there.